Need a mocktail that's gonna impress your friends, high in antioxidants, and will be ready in less than 3 minutes. Cherry mocktails coming right up, here they are. Cheers. Hey there, I'm Christina Monty Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make a cherry mocktail. Now, I recently had a cherry mocktail at a restaurant called Dry Creek Kitchen in Healdsburg, California, and it was phenomenal. So I just thought, I gotta do something like this, and I need to make a video. So here are the ingredients for my cherry mocktail. Sparkling water, sparkling grapefruit. Then I've got maraschino cherries, Tart cherry juice, a little fresh cherries for garnish, some fresh mint, and lemon. All right, let's get started. You wanna get the maraschino cherries on the bottom of the glass with a little bit of the syrup. So you just drop them in there. I'm gonna give a little bit of syrup. The long spoon is helpful, thank you, thank you. Okay, oh, I love it. These are the old-fashioned maraschino cherries. Oh my gosh, they're so good. All right, so you just put that at the bottom. So simple and easy. So I've got 4 of them total. Then you want to take the sparkling water. I think it's good to go in layers, okay? So it's a little sparkling water. You could do it any order you want. I'm gonna go sparkling water, just a little bit. Here we go. And you want to take it almost halfway. I've got friends here, okay, so we need to make more than one. All right, cherry mocktails coming right up. Here they are. All right. Yummy. So there's the sparkling water. I love doing that because obviously it's low calorie. Where did my bottle opener go? Then you want to take a little bit of grapefruit, sparkling grapefruit. So we're just going to go there. The sparkling grapefruit. Almost to the top, not quite all the way. And we're just gonna leave the maraschino cherries at the bottom. It's just so nice to have the layering effect going on. So amazing. Then I'm gonna give a little squeeze of lemon. Just a little squeeze of lemon. Gives it a nice little zing, okay? Then my secret weapon. Now they did not use this at the restaurant I was at, but I love this Tart cherry juice concentrate. It is loaded with over 17 antioxidants. That's what I love about it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Tart cherry concentrate in there. All right, so boom, the antioxidant. I love it, I love it, I love it. Then I'm just going to quickly, this gets a little messy. You want to do this over your sink, but I'm going to do this right here really quick. I'm just going to pick a couple of cherries and I'm going to use those for my garnish. If you don't have fresh cherries, you don't have to do this, obviously. I'm making a huge mess, but that's okay. My kitchen is used to a big mess. Okay. Where'd my knife go? I had a knife. Oh, it's right here. There it is. You ever do that, looking for something, it's right in front of you. So I'm just gonna cut these little cherry sections in half, okay? So we are basically done. This took less than 3 minutes, okay? Just gonna put it into the glass. The cherry will sink to the bottom, that's all good. There we go. And here we go. I never met a piece of mint I didn't love. Okay. So here it is, my high antioxidant cherry mocktail. I hope you like, save, share, and remember, you are deeply loved by God. Cheers.